What's up everyone, Phil Moments here. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to log out in Mobile Legends. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. A lot of players get confused because there's no obvious logout button. But don't worry, it's actually pretty simple once you know where to look. First, open your Mobile Legends on your phone. Once you're on your main screen, click your profile icon in the top left corner. Then look for Account. Inside the account settings, tap on Account Center. This is where all your account related options are located. Now in here, click Device Management. You'll see in here all the devices that you're currently logged in. You can choose to log out for that specific device, or you can also log out in all those devices by clicking this Log Out All button. Please take note that this will log out all devices except for the device that you're currently using. And that's it. That's how you log out in Mobile Legends. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.